Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply start a meeting in Zoom application on mobile, or smartphone or iPhone or whatever you got. Maybe you have a BlackBerry. So what you want to do is just be in Zoom application and then just click here on new meeting. Now you have options to turn the video on or off, and then you can use the personal meeting ID. That's up to you. And now click start a meeting. Right when you're going to do it, my voice is going to change now. So what you can do here is you can unmute, start a video, you can share files, and then you can simply invite some participants. You can invite one Gmail message or Zoom contacts or copy invite link. It's up to you. And then you can mute all. So this is where you can invite people. Then what you can do, you can also on the left up corner, when you're going to see that there is this microphone here, that you can turn off the audio. When you're going to click more, you can access chat here, and you can write to people when they are in a Zoom meeting. And then you can go click more and go to meeting settings, and you can log meeting, waiting room, and you got some hosting controls, mute upon entry, play, join, and leave sound when someone joins, leaves, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you do it. Then you can also, when you are driving, you can swipe left. That's also what you can do. And yeah, so thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.